More oftentimes than not, many drivers are faced with a multitude of distractions, either inside or outside their vehicle. To help prevent these distractions from causing a collision, Mitsubishi Electric has created an in-cabin system equipped with advanced interior and exterior sensors, which continuously monitor the vehicle's outside environment and all the passengers. Check out how the technology could one day change your driving experience for the better. To help improve a driver's and vehicle safety, Mitsubishi Electric says it designed its next-generation in-cabin system to operate with less driver interaction. Mitsubishi Electric's senior electric hardware engineer, Kyle Trout, told me thanks to the combination of the vehicle's software and hardware, the system sees, senses, and reacts more to help keep the vehicle passengers safer by allowing the driver to make informed decisions, something he says he can see as being useful in his personal life.
I think that, as a parent myself, it's very easy to kind of get lost in all of the activity that can happen in your vehicle when you have all your kids in the car. So some kind of assistant that's there to help you assess, having someone point out you're not in a clear driving state, that's not the best that you should be doing for your family, is a huge boon.
He says this is done by a camera keeping an eye on the driver's movements and condition, while more cameras and radar sensors watch over the passengers.
We're getting to a point where we can see capability in the industry to monitor your whole body and get down to gesture controls for certain things just by using a camera and maybe radar inclusion. The capabilities for DMS are definitely much higher than what has happened with it so far. It's a very neat technology overall. It's the type of thing that, when you were a kid, you didn't think it would ever be possible for your car to know, like, hey, you're looking at that billboard over there, that kind of thing.
To help keep everyone in the vehicle safe from potential exterior hazards, the system can detect slippery roads, black ice, and other weather-related issues, and show slip and grip levels using augmented reality overlays up to about 80 feet ahead. The augmented reality can even alert a driver about traffic cones, potholes, stop signs, pedestrians, and other objects in or near the path of the vehicle. These features highlighted are just a few of the many things Mitsubishi Electric's next-generation in-cabin system can do.
I think that there are a lot of cool features we could develop that people don't even know that they want right now, but when they see it, it's the type of thing where you're like, man, I really need that. That's going to make my life easier, or that's going to make my life better, or that's going to make my car safer. That's what we want to do, and hopefully we'll see some of this in reality.
Since the cabin system isn't on the market yet, the automaker is targeting to push the envelope on what these systems are capable of and give OEMs ideas of what could go in a vehicle in the next 3 to 5 years. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.